Another very important aspect of, especially if you're newer to flying a drone, and it's something that even after 6 years, I will not, and I probably did it once and I wouldn't want to do it because it's stressful and dangerous for no reason and it can cost you money. So anything that costs money or has the potential to cost you money that has no specific gain is something that you should not be doing. That's my opinion, obviously. So number 7 is don't hand catch your drone unless it's absolutely necessary. Especially if you're new to this, I repeat that I really suggest you do not try and hand catch or hand release. Now, it is possible, especially when you're in situations where there is nowhere to safely take off or land, but you want to try to minimize it as much as possible. Again, I think I've done it once, maybe twice, tops in 6 years. So, and I have quite a few flights on my drone. I wouldn't do it. There is no reason to do it. Now, the only time that I would suggest that releasing or catching your drone from your hand if you're on something like a boat where it's completely stable and you do not know if the drone is going to come back and hit you when it takes off or lands. Otherwise, trying to find a safe spot. And if it's dirty, if it's dusty, just get a lunch pad. Just try and make some space before you take off so you can avoid excess plants or branches or dust or find another position. I mean, come on. So I would say just don't do it. It doesn't worth it. Especially if it's a bit windy, especially if there are other people around. It doesn't worth it. Find a proper place and do it. That's your best case scenario. If you have any more questions or if you want to see more videos like this, press the like button, notification bell, and subscribe. More to come. Cheers.